Whether you're new to Windows or just simply curious about what kind of specs your computer have, in today's video I'm going to share with you 4 ways how you can learn and know the specs of your Windows computer. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, a special welcome to you to do tutorials. I'm Andrew. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first way how you can know the specs of your computer, simply go to the search bar here and type in command prompt, right? You just want to start typing COM and you'll see the command prompt there. Now just go ahead and open that and you simply want to type in systeminfo.exe. Now if you go ahead and hit enter, this will load a lot of information about your Windows. So let me go ahead and maximize this so that you can see all the necessary information there. So as you can see, you have an OS version, you have the name, manufacturer, you guys, so much information here about it. System boot timing, system model, processor, boot device, you can go through it, you can pause the video here and you can look on all these different specs that it is showing you about on your Windows computer, right? So systeminfo.exe, and for all of these steps I'll be sharing it with you in the description below so that you can easily find this for yourself. So this is the first way, guys. Now the second way how you can find the system info, just simply right click on this Windows icon here and you want to go to settings, right? Settings rather. Now once you're at system here, you make sure that system is selected and you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom where you have about. You want to click about and this will give you a lot of information, a lot of valuable information about your Windows as well. So you have the device name, the processor, installed RAM, you have the system type, pen and touch. You can scroll down here and you will see a lot more information that you can easily find. And as well, if you would like to rename your PC, you have the icon right here that you can go ahead and do so. Now you can also find additional information. If you go back one step up on the system, you can find more information about sound, notifications, power battery, so many different information. And also if you click for example on the storage, and this will give you a full breakdown of your storage, how you're using your storage, right? So if your computer is running low on storage and you'd like to know where all of this is coming from, what is taking up all your memory, all your storage, right? Then you can easily find out just like myself. So I know that I need to clear my temp files, right? Definitely need to do so. But yeah guys, this is the second way how you can find information here, right, on your Windows computer. And now guys, the third way how you can go about and finding valuable information about your system, right? You simply want to type into the search bar here, the simple type system info, right? So here guys, once you type in the system info and you open it, you will see this. So you have a lot of information here. If you go through it, you will see, and you will see that there's a lot of information about your Windows. Here you have the version, again, the manufacturer, all different kind of information. And on the left hand side here, you can expand these and you can find a lot more information. You have memory information here. You have under components, you have multimedia, you have display. So if you go to display, you can see all the information there, the type of graphics card that you have, all of these valuable information. Storage as well, you'll be able to find a lot of information. So this is a very good way how you can find the breakdown of all kind of information about your computer here. And I advise that you go ahead and check this out because you can find a lot of valuable information on your Windows PC here. And guys, the final way how you can go about finding information about your Windows PC, you can simply type Ctrl-Alt-Delete, hit enter, and you will see Task Manager. Or you can just simply, if you're inside the Windows, just right click and you will find the Task Manager. Once you open that, the first thing that you will see, let me go ahead and expand this, is that you will see a lot of applications that are running in, right? Or processes that are currently running on your computer. But you will easily find this option that says performance, and here you will find memory information. So you have CPU memory, you can see how that is going. You have memory information, you can find your cache, all of these valuable information. So you can go through it. Disk, you have Wi-Fi, you have GPU 01, right? So you can find a lot of information here about your computer, right? And this is a very good way how you can go ahead and find information about your computer, guys. And guys, those are the 4 valuable ways that you can go ahead to find information on your PC. Now guys, if you find some value within this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you find some value within this video. And as I said, if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.